In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to locked folder in Google Photos if you want to keep certain pictures more private and separate from the rest of your library. The locked folder feature in Google Photos is a useful option. It lets you move selected images into a more secure space, so they're not sitting in your main photo view. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to move both single photos and multiple photos into that folder using your computer. To begin, open Google Photos on your computer. Make sure you're in the main area where your photo library is visible so you can easily find the images you want to move. If needed, give yourself a moment to scroll through your gallery and locate the photo or photos you want to place into the locked folder. If you only want to move one photo, start by selecting that image. Once the photo is selected, look toward the top of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This menu opens additional options for managing the selected photo. From there, choose Move to Locked Folder. After you click it, Google Photos will move that image out of your regular library view and place it into the locked folder. This is a good option for pictures you'd rather keep less visible in your main gallery. Just keep in mind that once a photo is moved, it won't appear the same way it did before in the standard photo feed, so make sure you're moving the correct image before confirming. If you want to move several photos at the same time, the process is very similar. Instead of selecting just one image, check each of the photos you want to move. As you select them, Google Photos will keep them grouped as your current selection. Once you've marked all the images you want, go to the three-dot menu again and click Move to Locked Folder. This saves time when you're organizing multiple private images at once instead of repeating the same action one by one. It's especially helpful if you're cleaning up your gallery or moving a batch of personal photos into a more secure location. That's all it takes to add photos to locked folder in Google Photos on your computer. Open Google Photos, select one or more images, use the three-dot menu, and choose Move to Locked Folder. It's a quick and simple way to manage privacy and keep selected photos more protected within your account.